Hi, Ben here with Pierre Driving School. What we're going to do is drive through here, Brooklyn, New York. We're going to do our left and right and see observation from here. We're in Flatbush Avenue, one of the busier area here in New York City. Mirror left, shoulder left. We're going to pull out here. So I'm checking the shoulder, folks. The shoulders are very important for you to check. Let's make a right turn here. Mirror right, shoulder right. And pay attention, we're coming up to a full stop. Okay. First stop here for human. Second is for traffic. Paying good attention here. Thank you, thank you. Okay, although the person give you the right away, still have to do your own verification because the person may not be able to see things that you wanted to see. All right. For the purpose of the route test, whenever you drive, you have both hands on the steering wheel and you forward planning all your moves. Car double park on my right side. I'm gonna signal your attention here. Mirror left, shoulder left, and go around. And we're coming back in the same way. Signal back to your right, mirror right, shoulder right, bring it back in. Same way back out, same way back in. All the way stop sign, make a single stop. So this guy took the stop sign, and first come, first go. You always have to drive for the people here, folks. Always stop sign. If we meet the first time, this has been with Pierre Driving School and this channel here we do everything driving. If you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification squad so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you have anything you want us to cover for you in particular, you can put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our video topic coming from. We are located in the New York City area. If you do happen to be in those metropolitan area in New York, you want our school to help you, check out our website, pierrepoldriving.com. Link in the description, pierrepoldriving.com. We can help you with all your driving needs, whether you're a beginner, advanced, first-time driver, you have your license already, whatever the case may be, as long as it's driving related, we can help you here in this channel to get better, right? We're doing it our left and right, and observation while we're driving. Driving requires some strong responsibility. The more you can get in terms of knowing what you're doing, the better it is, as the decision that you and I make matters, can impact other people's lives as well can impact our own life. So it is our duty to deliver to the best of our abilities. Never rushing going places. Take your time to do what you have to do. Take your time. Leave on time so time will not be an issue for you. Car double park on my right, I'm going to signal left. I'm falling back for the traffic to clear. Okay, folks? I check mirror left, shoulder left, I'm going around. I'm passing everybody first. When I'm finished passing everybody, I'm going to signal to the right. I'm going to verify the mirror, verify the shoulder, then come back in. For the purpose of the road test, you do not have to drive. You cannot drive on traffic. As you're going over, there's traffic coming, you're supposed to stop. Let traffic clear as long as they're on your block. Because the reason why, they're controlling the main road, going into their lane, can't put you on the arm's way. You have to make sure that they're clear. But in real life, we don't do that, but that's what it should have been. Because if you do that in real life and you get into an accident, guess who's in fault? You are in fault. For the purpose of the road test, when you stop your car, you want to see the tire of the car in front of you on the ground. If you cannot see the tire on the ground, that's when you follow too close. You're gonna have to adjust. You're gonna have to adjust your stopping distance. In real life, also, you should have been doing the same thing. Reason why, in the event that somebody hit you from behind, you see, in the event that somebody hit you from behind, so you don't go ahead and rear-end the car in front of you. You do not want that. And also, if the person in front of you stops short, you have enough room to either stop without hitting it or steer around it if need be. Right turn, he has his traffic light onto the main road. You all right, shoulder right, fall to the closest right lane. Okay, continue to drive. For the purpose of the road test, whenever you turn, you want to fall to the closest lane you turn into. Because I'm coming to the right, because soon I'm going to be making a left turn. I will not be able to make my left turn from the service road. That's the only reason why I did not go from the service road right from the get-go. We're going to do one lane change here, mirror left, shoulder left, and go over. Whenever you change in a lane, you do not want to change your lane while you are at a traffic light. You will be misleading the traffic. They may think that you're making a left turn at the light. A lot of activities going on here. We try to clear it accordingly. There's no rush. Always remember the name, it ain't no rush. Always have to be paying attention to your surrounding. If you notice, each time I got a second, my foot covering the brake, lessen the speed, I'm glancing over the shoulders to see what's going on and coming on around me. Anytime you hit the brake, always take a quick look at, anytime you're about to hit the brake, especially at a light, always take a quick look at the inner of your mirror, the rear of your mirror, to see how the traffic behind you is moving. Because it's about the traffic in front of you is moving. Because once you do that, it lets you know the way that you're gonna brake, and the event that the person behind you try to go to take the light, how to handle yourself. Because you don't wanna just jam the brake and the person behind you thinking that you were taking the line, you know you're not taking it, you're misleading the traffic. That can lead to an accident, of which we try our best to stay away from as much as we can. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. That was the reason why we were riding on the left lanes all along. Mirror left, shoulder left, and bring it in. Quick glance. Quick glance. We're waiting for light to clear. Anything, guys, you guys want us to cover in particular, put in the comment below. So light here, continue to drive. Gonna do shoulder check still, although we got clearance. You will left, shoulder left. Okay, we're gonna make a right turn here, quick right. Signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. While you covering the shoulder, you lessen the speed, you covering your brake, okay? Speed bump, slowing down. And you go over it. One-way street with two-lane traffic, we keep far right. See, I just ran a red light. The light is turned on green. Always unexpected, always expected, unexpected. Double park car on my right side. Human activities on my right side. Signal my attention, cover the brake. Looking for clearance in my mirror. I'm not getting any clearance. Clearance is clear now. I check mirror left, shoulder left, and I'm moving over. And sit on the left lane. You signal all of your attention and you cleared before taking action. Because you signal all your attention doesn't mean that the traffic gonna stop for you. You have to make sure that you get clearance before taking action. I've always tell these people we have SMSA. Signal, mirror, shoulder, and acceleration. Okay, we stay to the left. When traffic is clear, completely clear, we'll go back out to the right because student must always be where? On the right side of the traffic, on the right side of the road, on a two-way street. If it's a one-way street with possibility for one car to drive, we keep in the middle by leaving equal distance on both directions. See, forward planning all your moves. Ahead, I already see a lot of car park on the left side, so on the right side and the left side, and I'm gonna keep in the middle to clear my lane. I'm not gonna keep going in and out traffic, then I'm gonna be weaving too much on in and out of traffic, all right? It's all the process and following your stuff. You can never go wrong. For never fully accelerating, you take a quick glance at both of your sides to see if anybody not squeezing in that you didn't pick up on the blind spot, on your mirror, if you will. That's the reason you have to check, verify those shoulders. See? Quick verification, then you accelerate. Forward planning, always on the observation, always on the lookout. Observe everything that's going on around you. I got a clearance ahead, then I'm gonna signal to my right after clearing this here, mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it over to the right. Why is that? Students always keep where? The right side of the road. Road test tips. Real life, we drive wherever we want. As we training doing lesson or whatnot, most likely here, we give you the lesson as if we were doing road test, but same principle apply when you're driving your car on the regular. You just don't have to do certain things, but that's how it should have been done, as whether you are taking your road test or the regular. As you pick up more skills, then you're gonna be more active. In other words, you're gonna be more comfortable doing certain things, but it doesn't change the way that maneuvers things supposed to get done. And by the way, if you want anything for me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. We have a 6 lesson AM every morning. That's where we cover all the questions that come in. We answer that every single morning. And we post it on this channel 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 6 p.m. New York time, Eastern time. We post it here on this channel. See, all this extra, I'm not with that. Doing what we're supposed to do. Your left, shoulder left, and we go around, folks. It ain't a rush. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. Folks, there you have it, okay? These are the things that we do on the regular when driving. If you guys want me to cover anything in particular, put in the comment below. I'm about to start the next lesson. Each given opportunity that we have, we drop a video for you guys to can learn. Follow this channel because you're dropping things that are going to be very beneficial for you, not only to pass your road test as well as to be safe on the road here. All right. Anything in particular, put in the comment below. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driver School. Take care now. Bye bye.